If you're running a small business, social media feels like a second job you never signed up for. You know you need to post consistently, but between running your business and creating content, it's overwhelming. Most small business owners either post randomly or burn out. AI tools can save you a few hours weekly in practical, real ways. Building a content plan. The biggest time drain is figuring out what to post. Instead of posting reactively, use ChatGPT, free at chat.openai.com, or Claude to build a month of content ideas in 20 minutes. Be specific. I own a 6-person landscaping company in Austin. My customers are homeowners 35 to 60. Give me 16 Instagram post ideas for May, mix of educational, promotional, and behind-the-scenes content. You'll get real ideas like before and afters, maintenance tips, and crew introductions. One honest limitation: AI doesn't know your local community, current promotions, or competitors. You still layer that in yourself. Think of AI as scaffolding. You build the house. Writing captions. AI excels at writing captions when you give it context. Instead of write an Instagram caption, try write a casual caption for our team at a charity 5K. We're a family-owned bakery. Keep it warm, under 100 words, with a call to action. Specificity improves output dramatically. ChatGPT Plus, $20 per month, handles tone and nuance better. Copy.ai has a free tier built for marketing copy with social templates. Faster if you're new to prompts. Creating visuals. Canva Pro, $15 per month, includes Magic Studio for generating image variations and resizing content across platforms. Adobe Firefly, free tier in Adobe Express, creates higher quality generated images, especially for seasonal backgrounds. CapCut is free with AI auto captions and templates for Reels and TikToks. Honest downside: AI-generated visuals still get faces, hands, and text wrong regularly. Always review closely before posting. Scheduling and analytics. Buffer, free for 3 channels, suggests optimal posting times and rewrites captions for multiple platforms. Later works especially well for Instagram and TikTok, recommending hashtags and timing from your account data. A real example: a 2-person yoga studio could draft weekly content Monday morning using ChatGPT, drop it into Buffer, and have posts automatically go out Tuesday through Saturday. Most scheduling tools include analytics. Metrical's free tier pulls data from all accounts in plain language summaries. Over time, you'll see what works. Maybe behind-the-scenes posts get saved constantly while promotions get ignored. The reality: none of these tools replace what only you can do. AI doesn't know your customers or your unique differences. What it does is remove repetitive, time-consuming work so you focus on what requires you. These tools won't make social media effortless, but they'll make it manageable. And for a small business owner, manageable is everything.